Hey there, welcome back to SureTriggers. In today's video, I will show you how you can connect Google Forms with WhatsApp. This means if someone fills out your Google Forms, they will receive an instant confirmation message on their WhatsApp. So this is Devraj from Team SureTriggers. Let me discuss it with an example. Suppose you are running a clinic. Every day, many patients call you to book their appointment and you send them individual messages for confirming their appointment. So, this is an outdated process, right? This repetitive work will consume your time and it's hectic. So, I will show you how you can automate this process using SureTriggers. Basically, SureTriggers is an automation tool where you can connect multiple WordPress sites, plugins, and web applications like Stripe, Razorpay, Google Forms, Google Sheets, etc. with each other and automate your repetitive work. So using SureTriggers, you can simply automate this process and you will be able to save your precious time and energy. Your patients can simply fill out the Google Forms on your website and they can choose their preferred time slot for the appointment. As soon as they submit the Google Forms, they will receive an instant WhatsApp confirmation message for the appointment. Sounds cool, right? Let's discuss this with another example. Suppose you are a business owner and you want to send a feedback form to your customers in such a way that when they submit the Google form, they will receive an instant thank you message on their WhatsApp. So you can do it in two ways, like you can type the message and send them individually on their WhatsApp, and the next way is very cool. You can automate this process using SureTriggers. I will show you everything in this video. So before automating this process, you need to know some important terms of automation, like what is workflow, what is a trigger, and what is an action. Basically, workflow means a sequence of step-by-step works that are performed systematically, and trigger is the starting point of the workflow. I will show you everything practically in this video, do not worry about that. So keep watching this video till the end and please subscribe to SureTriggers YouTube channel. So here in this video, we'll use Google Forms as a trigger and WhatsApp as an action application. SureTriggers.com, this is the official website of SureTriggers. If you have not signed up yet, you can simply sign up and enjoy your free trial. I have already an account. I will be signing in here. This is the main dashboard of SureTriggers. Here you can see that workflows. Click on workflows. Here are different type of workflows present here that I created a few days ago. So let's create a workflow for you. Click on create workflow option and suppose name the workflow Google Forms to WhatsApp and click on create button. Next, it is asking for to add the trigger. Our trigger application is Google Forms. So I have already created a form in Google Forms. Let me open that. This is the Google form that I created. There is an option of name, WhatsApp number, date and time. You can create your own form using Google Forms. Go to SureTriggers and add the trigger. Search for Google Forms and click on Google Forms. Next, we need to select the event. Our event is when a new response is received. Okay, it runs when a new response is submitted. Click here. Next, we need to select the connection. You can connect your SureTriggers account with your Google Forms by clicking on this button, create new connection. I have multiple accounts connected with SureTriggers, so I am clicking here. Next, it is asking for the form edit link. So for that, go to Google Forms and copy this link. Make sure that this link contains the edit word here. Okay, so copy this link and paste it on SureTriggers. Next, we need to test the connection and data. For that, we need to submit a response. Okay, so copy the form link, click on this send button and copy this link. Now I will fill out the form. So I am submitting this form. Your response has been recorded. Now go to SureTriggers. Next, we need to click on the Fetch Data button to check whether the data from the Google Forms is properly captured or not. If the data is fetched successfully, it indicates that the next time SureTriggers will be able to capture the incoming data from the Google Forms automatically without any error. So clicking on it, here you can see that the data which we entered on Google Forms is fetched here successfully. Next, click on Save button. Our trigger application is set. Google Forms is our trigger application and we need to set the action application now. Our action application is WhatsApp. For that, we need to go developers.facebook.com. You need WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay. So with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can able to send WhatsApp messages to your customers. There is a separate video in our channel. You can follow that. The link will be in the description box. So create a Meta Developers account and you will get a WhatsApp Cloud API from here. So I'm closing this window now. I have already have a WhatsApp Cloud API. I'm adding the action application. Click on this plus button. Here you can see that an action is an event that is performed after the trigger event is run. This means based on the trigger, the action will happen. Okay, so search for WhatsApp and click on WhatsApp Cloud API. We need to select the event. You can send text messages or the template messages. I will select the text message option and select the connection. I am selecting my connection. Once you have the WhatsApp Cloud API, you will be able to connect it with SureTriggers. So let me show you how. Go to app.suretriggers.com, go to apps and search for WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp Cloud API. Here you can see that there are multiple connections. You can add your own connection by clicking on this button, add new connection. So please watch that video to get WhatsApp Cloud API. Next, it is asking for the recipient phone number. You can simply type @ here to map the data. So I am typing @ here and you will get the phone number here. So it is the customer phone number or the recipient's phone number. Select it. This is the dynamic field. Once you select this phone number, it will able to capture all the phone numbers automatically from the next time. Okay, so we do not need to select all the phone numbers manually one by one. It will select automatically. Next, we need to write the message here. I will map the data by typing @. So I will select the name of the customer. Then I will map the data again. I will select the time. Next, click on test action button. Action tested successfully. So a WhatsApp message is already sent to that phone number. Next, click on the save button. So our trigger and action applications are already set. Here Google Forms is used as a trigger and WhatsApp as an action application. So next we need to publish the workflow. Click on the publish button. From now, if your customers fill out the Google form and submit it, they will receive an instant confirmation message on their WhatsApp. I think the process is too easy. If you have any queries regarding this process, you can simply drop us an email. We will get back to you. Please like this video and subscribe to SureTriggers YouTube channel. For today, goodbye and see you in the next video.